I think we're good.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to get your first client, and I'm going to give you a strategy here in a second. I'm going to jump right into my computer and show you exactly, a really good strategy that myself and my students have used to see success in landing their very first client. But first, if you are unaware of who it is that I am, my name is Elliot Drake, and I run a marketing agency called House of Influence, and this channel is all about helping you along that journey. So I work with a lot of people one-on-one and people in the Land Clients community. I'm also the founder of landclients.com, and that is an exclusive community basically to teach people on more of a personal level how to start and grow their own agency. If you're interested in that, the link down is below. You got to qualify to be in there. But yeah, go ahead and check that out. So before I jump in the computer, I want to talk about one thing that's very important. And if you're starting and you're wanting to land your first client, I'm guessing you're new to social media marketing, and you're probably new to actually having a business. And so I've been doing this for 3 years now, and I've started business for the last like 6 years. And until I started my marketing agency, I had a lot of failed businesses. One being a clothing line, and two being I tried to start like this sneaker flipping business, and I made money at both of them, but they were never really like actually successful businesses. They're just kind of like side hustles, right? And along the journey, and also along the journey of being able to work with a lot of new people in business, I found that honestly the biggest killer is people's mental blocks. So before you ever think about okay, what are the tactics to starting this business and landing these first clients, it's honestly so important to get your head right, because you see it all the time. People receive the same, people, they could be from the same background and everything, right? Same circumstances, everything. They get the same exact education, but one of them goes off and becomes successful and the other one fails. And the thing that it all gets tracked back to is their brain. And so the thing that I encourage you to do is, not judge yourself, but audit your life and audit what you're putting into your brain. Are you, doing things that are putting negative stuff, or are you being positive by reading books, by filling your ears with, really good music that is not, you see what I'm saying? Just filling your brain with positivity and trying to lift yourself up, because confidence and knowing who you are, setting goals, and believing in yourself, that is going to go such a long way, because entrepreneurship is not easy. People try to make it seem like it's get rich quick. Oh, I'm going to start a business so I can make all this money. Well, okay, great. There's just a lot of pieces. There's a lot of pieces that go into it, and if you're not mentally prepared, it will break you and you'll give up. So I think the statistic is 98% of businesses fail, and the reason is because people give up because their headspace and their mental capacity to handle the stress that comes from starting a business, they just can't do it, right? So what I encourage you to do, that's not to scare you, that's just to help your life. Basically audit what's going into your brain, who the people you're hanging around, what you're filling yourself with, and try to build that confidence. And one way to start building confidence is to make promises to yourself and keep them. So if say that you make a promise to yourself that you're going to start working out every single day and you're going to lose 10 pounds. Well, keep that promise to yourself, and keep making these small promises to yourself and fulfilling on them, and that will slowly begin to build your confidence, because it builds up those wins to where whenever you tell yourself something, you yourself believe that you're going to go and achieve it. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So I'm going to jump into my screen right now, and I'm going to go over a strategy to help you figure out how to get your first client. It's a really easy strategy that my students have loved, and so I'm going to share it here on my YouTube channel. And one other thing, if you guys have, if you're like a brand new beginner and you like don't even know what social media marketing is, I have a video on it on my channel. It should be like up here in the corner, or just go to my channel and find it. It's just like official whatever. And then another thing is like, it's important to pick a niche and an industry for your social media marketing agency. And so go find that video as well. And then in the description of this video, I have a PDF that walks you through and helps you pick that niche. So anyways, after that ramble, let's jump into my screen and let's learn the strategy on how to land your first client. Cool, what's up guys? So now we're inside of the screen. All right, cool. So let's go over this little strategy real quick. So what I'm going to show you is first you're going to go to your normal like Facebook page, right? And then for me, go to your personal page. If you don't have a public figure page, you should create one because this is where you're able to run ads and things of that nature. So just go to your page. I mean, you can either do this on your profile or your page. But personally, I'm going to do this on my page because I'm going to boost this post. So what this strategy is, what we're going to be doing is we're just going to make a simple post reaching out to the people that are already friends with us on Facebook, family members and other people they know, business owners that they could possibly refer us to. And so I'm just going to paste this right here and let you guys read it. So what we're going to do, if you have not picked your niche, you should go and like watch my other video on picking a niche and like, who you want to serve, because that is what's going to help you craft this little message. Or, I don't recommend becoming like a generalist and offering stuff to lots of people, because it's hard to, basically it's just harder to do like lots of people, and it's overwhelming and it's not scalable. There's lots of different reasons. If you watch my niche video, you'll be able to see that. But what we're going to do, let's just read this real fast. So I have attention real estate agents and brokers. I did a test this month with, sorry, I was trying to highlight it. I did a test this month with a close friend, helping them generate qualified buyer and sell their leads using Facebook advertising. I've been running a marketing agency for 3 years now, but I have just started doing work for real estate agents. In 1 month, I generated 136 qualified leads, as low as $1.25 per lead. Keep in mind, these leads are exclusive. You don't have to share them with a million people. So right here, I hit a pain point saying that, because like with real estate agents, they buy leads from all these different places like realtor.com, Zillow, all these places, but those leads, like lots of agents have them. So the clients and the leads are calling, those leads have been called by like 5, 6 other agents, which really sucks. They're probably the leads are probably sick of it by that time and whatever, right? And so I said, if you're interested in getting this implemented for you, comment down below and myself or my team will reach out. If you aren't a real estate agent but know one, please tag them below. Thank you, right? So I'm just making this simple post on my Facebook, putting it out there that I'm looking for this specific type of client and asking people to either like tag them, or if they are in that demographic, to comment down below and see how I can help them. And so whenever I publish this, I'll publish it. Not now, just publish. And so the reason you can post it on your personal page, and I would honestly share this. So like if you have close family members that might know business owners, just ask them if they will share this post for you, and then see if you can get some clients from doing this. And like it might sound super simple, but this will really work. And so if you really have no experience with this niche and you're just trying to test the waters, what I would do is if you find somebody that's interested, I would say, hey, I'm willing to do like you could even change this note and say, hey, I'm willing to do a free trial to show you the results that I know are possible. And then after this like 2-week free trial, then we can talk about what my services cost after that. And so by that time, you can get them results, then you have confidence, and then you can charge them, right? Some people say not to do free trials, but honestly, if you're just starting out, it's the best way to get a client and get your foot in the door. And plus, it's easier to close a client on a 2-week trial and then close them, because it's just like it's less risk. So whenever I say a free trial, what the person would do, if you're running Facebook ads, they would pay for the ad spend to run the ads, and then they would just pay for the ad spend. You do the work basically for free. But then after the 2 weeks, you'd be like, hey, here's the results, and bam, you know what I mean? Then say it's, I need $1,000 a month to continue driving these leads, or 500, however you want, right? So that's one little strategy. And now I'm going to show you another one, which is like meeting up with people. So if you guys go to meetup.com, which is a cool site, and so basically this is a place where you can find meetups that are happening in your area. So like I'm in Tampa, Florida, so let's look this up. So let's do Tampa. Hold on, let's do business within, let's do this miles of Tampa, Florida. Bam. And so we can look. So startup space, Tampa Bay entrepreneurs and small businesses. This might be a meetup right here, right? So this is a little group. We can join this group, and these are like lots of business owners, right? Digital marketing 101 for startups and entrepreneurs in St. Pete, right? And so this is just a site that you can find different people that you can start networking with, because honestly, it's so important to start surrounding yourself with like really like-minded people, but also it's important if you want to land clients, because like referrals and networking, like intentional networking though, like networking with the intent to see an ROI, return on investment, is very important. And this is a great place that you guys can go to try to find some like free events. You can go to those, get some business cards, pass them out to start talking to people, and you can land clients from this. And honestly, you're going to have better, like there's going to be a better conversion rate on closing people in person, because it's just personal, like you're able to connect with the person, than it is like online, like pitching random people, right? I teach the audit strategy and how to like find businesses online and then reach out to them. You can do cold calls, all that stuff. That stuff is great and it works, but nothing beats one-on-one human interaction, like going to events and talking to different business owners and seeing how you can help them, right? So these are the two strategies that I put together for this video for you beginners. So if you guys really like this video and you want to see more unique strategies, I have lots of different like even paid strategies on here for big like high-end clients. Make sure to check out the rest of my videos and subscribe. So that's going to be it. Let's roll it back over to the camera.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This has been Elliot Drake, and I look forward to seeing you in the next ones. If you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe. Just hit that little button down there, turn on post notifications, so then you can see whenever I upload, and then just comment down below what kind of things you want to see. What are you struggling with? I want to be able to help you. So let's engage. Reach out to me, and like I said, if you're interested in being in our exclusive Lane Clients community and work with me on a one-on-one basis, just click the link below and you can see if you can qualify. We can jump on the phone, see if this is a good fit for you. So like I said, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.